What's the meaning of clued up? Clued up. Clued up.
Clued up. Clued up. Clued up is a colloquial term that means being knowledgeable or informed about a particular subject or situation. It implies that a person has a good understanding of a topic, is up to date on the latest developments, and has access to all necessary information. It is often used in informal settings, such as conversations with friends or colleagues, to describe someone who is well informed and can provide insights or advice on a given topic. Being clued up can be advantageous in many situations, as it allows individuals to make more informed decisions and take appropriate actions.